What's going on, everybody? It's September 13th, 2022. It's daily log number 9. And I'm going to review what happened today on US 500. It was a pretty eventful day with the CPI numbers that came out. So I pointed out yesterday that I wasn't extremely confident just because of the news, but I did want to see that order block traded into. We are looking for the sell side all week. I was definitely bearish overall on this. So it's not a surprise what we did. It's quite beautiful. We dug right into that order block, right into the premium that I've highlighted there. And then we went lower into that discount. So I will go on lower time frames to show you. Let me just get rid of this real quick. The 4 hour fair value gap. Remember yesterday I was talking about I didn't want to see price go above the equilibrium of this fair value gap, which if you look at the body and the closure here, the body stayed underneath 50%. So that was really cool to see. Let me show the 1 hour as well. This was quite beautiful. I also talked about this yesterday. The fair value gap I did not want to see traded above the equilibrium. So just barely tagged it. I believe it missed it by just a quarter point or something very small. Still beautiful to see, and that was right on the opening of the CPI numbers. Today was just a no trade day for me, and ICT was talking about it in his Twitter space not too long ago. I was just on there, and he was just saying, I mean, if you're upset, there's no reason. It's actually just a cool thing to see play out. Like even the perfection, everything's there. The algorithm is still working. It's just you're not able to capture moves like this. Okay, when price is moving this quick, brokers plenty of times. I mean, you can get slips, you can get your stop loss taken out, 40 points, 50 points below where you were actually at. I've had that happen multiple times with, unregulated brokers. So I would just recommend to just watch price. There's nothing wrong with just missing a day of price action. Tomorrow, I must say though, after large range days, we are likely to move into a small range day, more or less consolidate. So I may just watch the AM session and see in the PM session if I can capture some type of move. So I will report back tomorrow with price. I do have to mention I would like to see on the 4 hour this fair value gap. Not so much. I'm not super interested in this. The daily, it may take until Thursday, but we'll see what happens. I would like to see this returned back into. Overall, I'm looking for the 38.84. I mentioned this on the Zoom call, and that is my overall target for ES. I mean, even this fair value gap, here's one, here's one. I don't see this being traded back into. I think we're already too deep into a discount. I think, if anything, we'll roll over to attack the sell side pretty soon here within a day or two. So that's all for me tonight. I will get back to you guys tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.